Yeah, I'm gonna do a unboxing and how to assemble this Welzona power recliner. It all comes in one box, and they have some of the pieces vacuum sealed, so it makes it look smaller in the box. But when you pull it out and take them out, wrapper expands. I got this power recliner from my mom. She's 81, and she needed a new recliner, and this one here, she needs one with the power because she can't really push the leg part back down. But with the power here, power it works, should work really good for her. It also has two magazine pouches on both sides. It also has a USB port where you can plug in your phone. You see here, everything goes in pretty good. All the pieces here. This is the parts, the seat that you sit on. All you do is you just zip it to the base of it, and it'll just squeeze it down in there, and this fits really tight. Um, this one here is a brown, but they have several different colors to pick from. Now I'm putting the back part on. It took me a minute to figure out how to get on there, but it really slid down pretty easy. You just slide it down into the base. It has two pieces sticking up, and it goes right down. The back slides right down on them. Then on the on the back, you had two little side cushions to put on. They just slide right on really easy. Got plenty of cushion on the arms. And you see this part here, this goes on the back here. It vacuum sealed in real tight. You see how fluffy it is once you take out the patch. So it's really really comfortable. The excuse me, size of it is 40 inches high, and it's 38 inches deep from the front to the very back, and it's also 37 inches wide. Has a weight limit of 330 pounds, so it's really strong. Everything went together pretty easy. No tools. I've done it by myself, and carried it over to when I carried it over to my mom's house. I mean, two of us picked it up really easy. Put it in the back of the truck. It really easy to move around. Here I'm attaching the cord for the power. Here. Let's see, it just goes up. It lies almost all the way back flat. It's really comfortable. It's a really nice looking chair. She's had it for a couple weeks now, and she really likes it. There's a power buttons, but this is a Welzona power recliner. Check it out if you're looking for a real good recliner. This is a good one for your older parents. Check it out.